This is Case Vandermeulen from Coulee Flats Dairy in Mesa, which is in the Columbia Basin in eastern Washington. We are running a D-Level rotary with 120 stalls and milking around the clock 24/7. On our farm, we produce about 670,000 pounds of milk every day. So, as you can imagine, milking efficiency is absolutely critical for us. I've always aimed to optimize the performance of our milking system. Our milking equipment dealer introduced me to this system as a solution that would provide constant monitoring of the milking parlor and the milking system and help us spot problems immediately early on. Finding the right solution was really helpful. I needed something more than just a simple pulsation monitor, which is what most systems out there offer. That's when I discovered MIPulse from Milkrite Interpulse, or MI in short. MIPulse doesn't just monitor pulsation, it evaluates our milking performance, giving us daily reports and KPIs. These insights are invaluable for improving our efficiency in the parlor. The ability to detect errors quickly has been a real game changer. The system has saved us a lot of money by allowing us to address problems right away. We milk about 6,700 cows 3 times a day in our rotary. That means every unit is milking 160 cows each day. Therefore, one faulty machine has a potential of negatively affecting 160 cows per day. So detecting issues early is really important. What impressed me the most, how intuitive and customizable the system is. I've tailored the notification to our needs, saving us time and effort. Let me tell you about the real game changer with MIPulse. It's not just about monitoring, it's about enhancing our milking performance. Every day, we receive detailed reports on our milking process. But that's not all. MIPulse also delivers key performance indicators, KPIs, that sheds lights on how we can increase our parlor efficiency. It's like having a roadmap to success right at my fingertips. Lastly, maintenance has become a breeze. We know exactly where to look when there's an issue, thanks to the system's automatic pulsator graphing. I can assure you, MIPulse really increases my peace of mind that cows get milked correctly all day, every day, and it will work with any system or brand.